How to share a post to a group on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, scroll down and go over to any post that you want to share. Then, tap on the share icon below the post. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Go to the bottom and tap on Group. You will see all your groups on Facebook over here. Select a group from here. Now, type in a caption over here if you want. After that, tap on Share Now below. You have now successfully shared this post to the group. Go to Menu at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Groups. From here, select the group you just shared the post to. You can now view the post over here. Following these steps, you can easily share a post to a group on Facebook.